kind of values should the parents get into when they talk to their children, and what kind of values or value system the youth of the day should live by? Because we are very deeply distracted by many things around us, and staying focused, having your rudder straight and guiding you out of that mess is very difficult.
Very good. Now, what I will say for the modern youth, that number one, Swamiji used to say, what we want is man-making education, character-building education, which we are lacking today in the country. So that is the first thing. Career development is a must, but it should be accompanied by character development, and that is not being given importance neither by the parents nor by the education system. So that is where we should now focus on. And what do I mean by character development is the total personality development. That means physical development of the personality, mental development of the personality, intellectual development of the personality, moral development of the personality, and spiritual development of the personality. And for which three are necessary: IQ, EQ, and SQ. Intelligence quotient, emotional quotient, emotional intelligence, and spiritual intelligence. As you must have heard, that now SQ has become very important. There are many books that have come out. One of the books is by Dana Zohar. She's a professor in Oxford University. The name of the book is SQ, Spiritual Intelligence, the Ultimate Intelligence, where she says physiologically, biologically, neurologically, and psychologically. From every point of view, there is a comforting evidence. There is something called SQ, which is the basis of both IQ and EQ. What is IQ? IQ will tell you how to play the game of life. What is EQ? EQ will tell you how to play the game of life under changed circumstances with changed strategies. And what is SQ? SQ will tell you whether to play the game of life or not. What is the purpose of life? What is the aim of life? What is the meaning of life, basically? So these three, IQ, EQ, SQ, all the three are required. And these three, this SQ will come by spiritual development, will come by harmonizing four yogas. So Swami Vivekananda said, the whole gist of Vedanta he gave in his book on Raj Yoga: each soul is potentially divine. The goal of human life is to manifest this divinity within by controlling nature, external and internal. Do this either by work or worship or psychic control of philosophy, by one or more or all of these, and be free. This is the whole of religion. Doctrines, dogmas, rituals, temples, churches, mosques are but secondary details. So this four yogas, practicing these four yogas: Raj Yoga, meditation; Bhakti Yoga, prayer; Gyan Yoga, reflection, positive reading; and fourth, unselfish service, Karma Yoga. All this jointly, combining the four yogas, will lead you to development of SQ, spiritual development. And this also will lead you, and this will lead you to the total personality development. So 5 values, we can say: self-confidence, self-reliance, self-control, self-knowledge, and self-sacrifice. These 5 values will give, and plus IQ, EQ, SQ will give total personality development. So this is a must, and the parents should also try to see. The schools, colleges cannot give. The parents should try to see, and they will be able to impart these values, for which the golden formula told by Swami Vivekananda is be and make. First you become great, then make others great. First you build your own character, then build the character of your children. This is a must. You have to become a role model. The parents should become the role model for the children, and then this gradually, this character development will take